In this video, I'll show you how to do the YPAO calibration on your Yamaha AV receiver. Before starting, if you have a subwoofer, you need to put the volume right in the middle. And if you have a crossover switch, you need to put it to the maximum. Then make sure that your receiver is turned on. Take the 3.5mm connector of the YPAO mic and connect it on the left of your receiver. It should say YPAO mic and plug it there. You should have a message appearing on the screen of your receiver. If it's connected to your TV, you should get the same message on your TV screen. Take the mic, and if you have a tripod it will be better, but go and put it exactly where your ears would be when you're sitting and watching TV or listening to music. My head is usually standing there, so I will just sit on my sofa and hold this mic at the same exact place where I think my ears will be. Obviously, if you have a tripod, you can just put the mic on the tripod and you don't have to hold it in your hands. It will be easier. Then when you're ready, take your remote control and press start. And don't forget to hold the mic. Then you just have to wait. Don't touch anything. Just hold the mic at the same position. Don't move it around. On the screen, it will tell you what kind of test it's doing. I'll just go ahead and accelerate this video. Once it's completed, you'll get the results on your TV screen. Then take your remote control and press enter, and we need to save this calibration, and to do so you would just have to exit this menu. So press enter again. And now it's time to disconnect the YPAO mic because everything is completed. So disconnect the cable and you're good to go. So I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below. It's always cool to see your comments, and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.